Okay, live update. Tayo na naman ako sa live update. So currently, I'm here in Cebu, staying here at Marco Polo Residences, and currently working. Working. So yung mga students natin ay nasa Marco Polo na. They're doing their tasks. Kasi yesterday we had our orientation on what they should expect during their parang immersion ng mga students natin. Medyo tumaba kagad ako so yan. So yun lang naman. Tapos ano pa ba, parang kahapon lang kami dumating dito, but we really had a lot of activities na natapos, especially ako. I know our students actually had so much parang fun time yesterday, aside from the orientation and then the briefing with the HR of Marco Polo. Also, somehow nakapag-explore sila ng city, Pero sabi ko nga sa kanila, sabi namin ni Chef Doy sa kanila, this is not the place for, this is not a vacation for all of you guys, but this is a work, Parang foretaste of what they should expect, or what they should expect when they started working the commercial kitchen. So although this isn't immersion, but at least they will be able to experience the actual actions in the commercial kitchen. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, ang swerte-swerte nyo because you had this opportunity to work with the chefs. Ang babait ng mga chefs sa Marco Polo, and I would like to thank the executive chef of Marco Polo, executive chef Chef Juanito, for accommodating us. And then of course, actually event ito ni Chef Doy, parang tinag-along lang tayo yung apprecious dito sa event ni Chef Doy. I also would like to thank Chef Doy for this opportunity, So talagang kapag kami mga ganitong opportunities na maisama or maisama natin yung mga students natin for the actual event or actions sa commercial kitchen, and then gusto nating mangyari yon, gusto nating ipa-experience yon lahat sa mga students. So right now, I'm just waiting for a few minutes lang, or siguro less than an hour, and then I will be going there as well sa Marco Polo to look after the students, and of course also to document the activities that they're going to do in Marco Polo. So right now, I'm just killing time. Actually, not killing time. I should be working. Parang tumaba kagad ako. Yesterday, I had a chance to eat pochero ulit. Nag-crave talaga ako when I was in Naga, So I was really craving for pochero. Tapos yun yung lunch namin. And then sayang nga, hindi naman sayang, but they also prepared food for us sana sa Marco Polo. But the students were able to had lunch at the Marco Polo Hotel. Pero ako, we had lunch sa Pocherohan. So ayan. So ang sarap, grabe. Parang yung hindi ko kasasawaan ba. Kaso syempre yun, beef yun, tapos may mga taba, although ang kinakain ko dun is the collagen, kasi dun naman nagmumula yung mga collagen na iniinom natin, although, syempre, may mga collagen na, na mas healthy, like the marine collagen, pero just the same, yun nga, siguro yung pochero, I can eat, or we can eat pochero, once a month, once every 2 months, yung ganyan. Pero pag ginawa natin siyang on a daily basis, good luck naman sa mga puso natin. Lalo yung puso ko na laging nasasaktan. Char! May arting ganarn. So yun, I'm actually transferring all the photos of our students dito sa ating laptop. So ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo last time, So I actually enjoying and loving this one kasi ang gaang niya. So, hindi ko masyadong na-feel yung weight niya when I was traveling. Dala ko to dun sa aking carry-on bag. Pero hindi ko masyadong na-feel yung weight. Considering na dala ko rin yung tablet ko, my phones and everything, and all the stuff. Pero hindi masyadong mabigat. So, yun yung kagandahan. But, I am actually wondering bakit ang pangit ng graphics nito, malabo, no? So, na-explore ko pa kung ano yung pwedeng malaman dito. Pwedeng malaman. Pag hindi ko nalaman, of course, I'll get help from an IT. So, ayan siya again, guys. So, ayan. 'Di ba? Tinanggal ko na yung mga stickers. Nilagyan ko to ng mga stickers ng last time. Parang ganito lang. Parang Tree of Life. Yan. Tinakpan ko yung HP. Pero, nung nakita ko siya sa liwanag, parang napangitan ako. Parang sabi ko, "Alo." So, yun. Parang di ako nagandahan. Maganda pa rin talaga yung graphics ng Dell eh. Pero talagang punong-puno na siya. Sumisigaw na yung memories niya tsaka yung storage niya na parang hindi ko na kaya ang mga photos mo, chef. Ang dami-dami yung photos. I had, I think, 6 million photos in my laptop. Napaka-vain. Puro mukha ko yun. Ganun naman talaga eh, 'di ba? So, kaninong mukha yung ikikip ko? Mukha ng kung sino-sino dyan. Syempre, yung pagbumukha mong ikikip mo, love yourself, 'di ba? Considering I'm a Leo. Napaka-vain. Ito na naman tayo sa sa filter ng TikTok. So, naglagay lang ako ng very very light makeup lang. Pero nung ito na naman, sabi ko nga, dapat meron yung natural lang, yung walang masyadong, meron ba? Wala kasing sa choices eh. Konsumido. Kasi ayoko ng mga ganyan. Gusto ko yung natural, 'di ba? Yung nakikita yung pekas ko, nakikita yung eye bags ko. Kasi pagka ganitong may filter, parang I don't really feel that it's me. May ganon. Anyways, so yun lang naman, life update. So yesterday was our day 1 and then day 2 today. Today is Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Thursday. Pag nandito ko, parang nalulose track of time ako. Parang hindi ko na alam kung anong araw, anong petsa. But it's Thursday today. Parang kasi kahapon, ang daming nangyari. Ang daming nang ganap. So parang I have been here for so long already. Next. Kasi naman, very familiar na sa akin yung place. How many times na nandito na ako? 'Di ba? So, talagang it feels like home. Arte. Ang arte-arte ni Chef. Hindi, Cebu I think is my third favorite city. Of course, hindi, second. Kasi Naga is my first favorite city and then Cebu second. Yan. And then third, Manila. Wala man akong choice eh because my daughter is there and I really have to go home from time to time. Kung may mga occasion, birthday ng daughter ko and also, yeah, Manila is my third favorite city. Naga is my first and Cebu is my second. So, ayan. So, tatlo ang aking favorite city which yun yung pinupunta-puntahan ko. Pinupunta-puntahan. But I don't know if I will still come back here in Cebu if I still have the reason to come back. Ganon. Parang last mo na to, chef. Ganyan. So, wala. Parang I've had enough of my adventure. Sabihin na natin adventure here in Cebu. Although, Cebu will always be in my heart. Arte. But, yeah. Yan. I just don't know if I still going to plan to come back here anytime soon or this coming months or whatever. Kasi before, pinaplan ko talaga yan eh. So, siguro I am going to plan for other cities naman to explore, no? So, not that I've had enough of Cebu, but I enjoyed Cebu a lot, especially the food. Yun talaga ang binabalik-balikan ko dito. So, yeah, 10 minutes. Naka 10 minutes na kaagad ako sa Kuda. That's it, guys. Bye.